Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered what GST is, why it was introduced, and how it affects your daily life? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll cover the basics of GST in a simple and easy to understand way. So, let's get started. What is GST? GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is a single indirect tax charged on the supply of goods and services across India. Before GST, India had multiple indirect taxes like VAT, service tax, excise duty, entry tax, and many more. GST replaced most of these taxes with one unified system. That's why GST is popularly known as One Nation, One Tax. How does GST work? Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose a manufacturer sells goods worth 1,000 rupees. An 18% GST is added, so the customer pays 1,180 rupees. The manufacturer collects 180 rupees as GST. Now, when the wholesaler sells the same product further, they don't pay tax on the entire value again. Instead, they get credit for the GST already paid earlier. This credit is called Input Tax Credit, or ITC. Because of this system, tax is charged only on the value added at each stage. This avoids the problem of tax on tax, also known as the cascading effect. Types of GST. India has 4 types of GST. CGST or Central GST is collected by the central government. SGST or State GST is collected by the state government. Both CGST and SGST apply when goods or services are supplied within the same state. IGST, or Integrated GST, applies when goods or services move from one state to another. Finally, UTGST, or Union Territory GST, applies to union territories. For example, if a business in Tamil Nadu sells within Tamil Nadu, CGST and SGST are charged. If it sells to Karnataka, IGST is charged. History of GST in India. The idea of GST was first proposed in the year 2000. In 2006, the then finance minister officially announced the GST plan. In 2011, the first constitutional amendment bill related to GST was introduced. In 2014, the bill was reintroduced. In 2016, Parliament passed the 101st Constitutional Amendment, making GST a reality. Finally, on the 1st of July 2017, GST was launched across India, replacing multiple indirect taxes with a single tax system. To summarize, GST is a destination-based, value-added tax that replaced multiple indirect taxes in India and has been in force since the 1st of July 2017. Understanding GST is important for students, professionals, business owners, and every taxpayer. Let's understand the 8 major benefits of GST in a simple way. 1. One nation, one tax. GST replaced multiple indirect taxes with a single taxation system across India. This brought uniformity in taxation and made doing business much easier across different states. 2. Eliminates cascading effect. One of the biggest advantages of GST is the Input Tax Credit or ITC. Businesses can claim credit for the tax already paid, ensuring that tax is charged only on the value added, not on tax itself. This reduces the overall tax burden. 3. Common national market. GST removed many state-level tax barriers, allowing goods and services to move freely across India. This created a unified national market and improved trade efficiency. 4. Simplified tax structure. With fewer taxes and digital compliance, GST has made tax filing, registration, and return submission much simpler for businesses. 5. Improved compliance. Online registration, return filing, and tax payments have made the system more transparent, organized, and easier to follow. 6. Greater transparency. Digital invoicing and invoice matching help reduce tax evasion while increasing accountability and transparency throughout the system. 7. Increases government revenue. A wider tax base, improved compliance, and reduced tax leakage help the government collect revenue more efficiently. 8. Boosts economic growth. Lower business costs, easier interstate trade, and a unified market encourage investments, improve competitiveness, strengthen logistics, and create more employment opportunities. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and subscribe to my channel.